Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. My name is Wan Faris Rahimi bin Wan Abdul Hisham. Let's talk about function of Broca's and Wernicke's area in speech and language. Language is one of the most important abilities of human beings. It allows us to communicate, express our thoughts, and understand others. Although language seems effortless, it actually involves different areas of the brain working together. Two important language-related areas located in the left hemisphere of the brain are Broca's area and Wernicke's area. Researchers have learned about their functions through studying people with aphasia, a language disorder caused by brain damage. Before discussing each area, it is important to understand that speech and language are not controlled by a single part of the brain. Different brain regions are responsible for different language functions. Broca's area mainly help us produce speech, while Wernicke's area help us understand language. When either of these areas is damaged, communication becomes difficult, providing evidence of their specific role in language processing. Let's begin with Broca's area. Broca's area is located in the left frontal lobe of the brain. Its main functions include speech production, sentence formation, grammatical processing, and motor planning for speech. In simple terms, Broca's area helps us turn our thoughts into spoken words. Evidence for this function comes from a condition known as Broca's aphasia. When Broca's area is damaged, a person usually understands language fairly well, but speaking becomes difficult. Their speech is often slow, effortful, and grammatically incomplete. For example, instead of saying, "I went to the supermarket to buy milk," a person with Broca's aphasia may say, "Go supermarket, buy milk." This example shows that the person knows what they want to say but struggles to produce complete sentence. And now, let's look at Wernicke's area. Wernicke's area is located in the left temporal lobe. Its main functions include language comprehension, understanding words, semantic processing, which means understanding meaning, and vocabulary recognition. In other words, Wernicke's area helps us make sense of spoken and written language. Evidence comes from Wernicke's aphasia. When this area is damaged, speech remains fluent and smooth, but the content may not make sense. People may use incorrect words or produce meaningless sentences. They also have difficulty understanding language. For example, when asked, "What did you do today?" a person with Wernicke's aphasia might respond, "The sunshine, bicycle walk around paper." Although the sentence sounds fluent, it does not convey a meaningful message. This demonstrates the important role of Wernicke's area is in language comprehension.
Oh my God! Wow!
Now let's compare these two brain regions. Broca's area is located in the left frontal lobe, while Wernicke's area is located in the left temporal lobe. Their primary functions are also different. Broca's area is mainly responsible for speech production, whereas Wernicke's area is responsible for language comprehension. Damage to Broca's area causes Broca's aphasia, characterized by slow and effortful speech. On the other hand, damage to Wernicke's area causes Wernicke's aphasia, where speech remains fluent but often lacks meaning. Another key difference is comprehension. People with Broca's aphasia generally understand language quite well, while those with Wernicke's aphasia often have impaired comprehension.
Oh my God. I get it.
Yeah, boy. Although these areas perform different functions, they work together during communication. Broca's area helps us produce speech, while Wernicke's area helps us understand language. For effective communication, we need both abilities. For example, when someone asks us a question, Wernicke's area helps us understand what is being said, and Broca's area helps us formulate and produce a response. Damage to either area can disrupt communication, showing that language relies on a network of specialized but connected brain regions. In conclusion, Broca's and Wernicke's area demonstrate that language functions are localized in specific parts of the brain. Broca's area is mainly responsible for speech production, while Wernicke's area is responsible for language comprehension. Studies of Broca's aphasia and Wernicke's aphasia provide strong evidence for these functions. Understanding these brain regions help us better appreciate how the brain supports human communication and language. That is all from me. Thank you for watching.